Imagine a drone soaring above a field, its sensors capturing data in real time. This isn't science fiction, it's today's precision agriculture. Drones equipped with multispectral and thermal cameras monitor crop health, detect diseases, assess nutrient levels, and optimize irrigation. The real-time data collected can improve crop yields and reduce resource usage. In precision agriculture, drones create high-resolution maps of fields, generate targeted application plans for fertilizers and pesticides, thereby optimizing productivity and minimizing environmental impact. Advancements in drone-based crop spraying technologies have led to autonomous systems, precision delivery mechanisms, and the integration of AI algorithms, enhancing efficiency and reducing chemical exposure. For livestock management, drones count and track animals, assess pasture conditions, and identify potential threats. The efficiency, accuracy, and welfare benefits are unmatched. When paired with data analytics platforms, drones provide farmers with invaluable insights for informed decision-making about crop management, resource allocation, and risk mitigation. Regulatory frameworks and safety considerations ensure responsible deployment of agricultural drones. They are integrated with existing farming equipment, enhancing overall farm efficiency and productivity. The future of agricultural drone technology holds advancements in drone autonomy, specialized drones for specific tasks, and integration with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and blockchain. Welcome to farming's high-tech horizon.